Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 10. Just going to go over what we are doing this week. Again, if you ever forget what we're doing, watch this video. It'll be posted here, and that way you can remember what's going on. Also, please do not wait until Sunday at 7 p.m. to start working on your assignments. You should be working on them a little bit every day throughout the week. So, let's talk about this. So we are pausing or stopping for now. I don't know, we might revisit later the technical sketching on the drafting boards just for now because I want to get into OnShape and all of the cool things we can do with online 3D modeling. Now, normally we would be using SolidWorks, but unfortunately SolidWorks is a large software that I don't think many of you can get on your computers at home. So that being said, we're going to start with OnShape. You're going to go into your OnShape account creation. This PDF walks you through the steps of creating an account with OnShape and how you sign up. So you're going to go in, you're going to click on this link, you're going to fill this out, first name, last name, school email address, you're a student, and then select your level, check, create account. Then for the one that's for students, let's see, graduation year. Here we go. School name, school website, city, state, country, graduation year. What are you using for OnShape for? Classwork. Agree. I'm not a robot. Moving on. Activate your account. You'll have to go into your email to activate it. Then you can log in with your email and password that you've set up. So that is how you create an account with OnShape. Then the next thing you have is your account information assignment. This is where you need to give me your email and password in case you forget your account. All right. So you'll go in, you'll give me your password and your email for this so that way you don't forget. Here's the link to OnShape. So if you need to, you can click on this. It'll take you right to the OnShape website. And then here are the 3 tutorials you will be doing this week. They should not take you very long, but you'll be working on them. So you can click on the tutorial, then you will be working through these tutorials, basically. It shows you how to, in the tutorial, it'll show you how to create a new document because this will be the first time you're doing that. Then I want you to save it as this and you'll be sharing it with our team. So once you've created the accounts, I'll then be able to put all of your emails in and assign you our class team where you'll be able to share all of your documents with me so that I can go in and see them and help you if you have issues. So once you give me your emails and passwords, I can set up the teams. So I'll probably do that end of today or beginning of tomorrow. They won't be done today right now on Monday because I don't have your emails. So again, 3 tutorials. When you are finished with those tutorials, you will attach a screenshot of each part to a Google Doc and submit it for grading. You need to do that in order to get a grade for doing these parts. Otherwise, those are the assignments for this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or ask me in class. I'll see you guys later.